good, YouTube? It's your boy Bomster Foo, and I'm back with another video, you feel me? So, yes sir, the time has come. I've been waiting for a long time for all these packages to come in. I've been waiting on one last piece, and finally came in. I actually ordered some of the pieces last year. Well, I mean, the year before last year. Happy 2023, you feel me? But yeah, let's get into it, man. Yeah, this is it. All right. Here we go. Winter time, just in time. Might be a little late. It's upside down. Yes, sir. You see that? You know the vibes. I think this is my first, like, legit, North Face piece that I fuck with. I got this other one back in the day, but this is a piece I would definitely wear. Yeah! Got this from Dopest Street Market, retail. You know what I'm saying? When they did the collab, North Face and Kaws. Yeah, shit. Crazy. Got the hood on back. Pretty sure you can detach it. No, it's not detachable. Got a Velcro on back. Yeah, this is the front. North Face on the left chest. Kaws logo, X's, eyes on the right. Zipper it down. There we go. Tag, I got a large. A large? Yeah, a large. My size. Let's try it on. Over the even made hoodie. I finally pulled out. Love this hoodie. Sold the white one. Keep this one. Fits perfect. Roomy. Size zips. Inside you got another zipper for your pocket. And you got some strings you can tighten. Get a close up here. 700 down count, I believe that's what it means. You got the Velcro strap-easies. This fits real nice. There's still room in it, so yeah. I like it. Alright. Now we got that out the way, on to the other piece. It says tear here. Piece from Saks, 5th Avenue. Had to go, oh, look at that. Look at that nice display. A little sticker. A little sticker. Ooh. Rosito. Ah. So I had to go to different websites to get different pieces because they were being sold out. This was from last year's release, and I was like, I had to get this to go with this. Like, I could have gotten the same material to go with it, but I was like, nah, I'm not trying to do that. I want these kind of things. I want these kind of things. Yeah. Look at these cozy, real fluffy, fuzzy fleece. So we got North Face patch over there. And got the Kaws eyes over there. We got some zips going up and down the sides. Oh, that's pretty cool. Get that ventilation in there. You know what I'm saying? The ventilation when you go snowboarding and stuff. Wow. Got the, you know, ooh, the Velcro waistband. You We got the pockets with the zippers in the pockets.
Music vibe.
There we go. Got that little side zip. Goes all the way down. And got a button on the bottom. Ooh, yes sir.
Music vibe.
Had to get this from the Kid Cudi tour. You know what I'm saying? When he came to DC. Kaws, Man on the Moon 2 collab. Now tell me that ain't fire. Yes sir. On the inside tag. Yup. It's a large. Looks very cozy and comfy. Material soft but thick. Man. Can't wait to try this on. Here we go.
Music vibe.
There we go. Yep, it is a little bit roomy, so if you got large or whatever your size is going to be a little bit bigger for that cozy fit. All right, now we got the jacket, we got the shirt, and we got pants. All we missing is something for the feet. Now I can't go out like that. I gotta have the whole set. You feel me? So, with that being said, yep, straight from Concepts. Oh yeah, got these for the feet. Check them out. Now these are good for the winter. Let's see how they are on the feet. See. Oh yeah, these are very comfy. They kind of got like a soft inliner, so it's very cozy, comfy inline. It's called a thermal ball. These are called the North Face calls thermal balls. Nice grip on the bottom.
Music vibe.
I got this human made hat on. This don't go with the fit, man. I'm tripping. I got something for
Music
that.
vibe.
Alright.
Music vibe.
Whoa! Yes, sir. Had to get this, the last piece.
Music
Top it off.
vibe.
You know what I'm saying? And hair check. So yeah, man, had to get the shiesty, man, whatever you want to call it. Tie it all together, man. We got the logo right here.
Music vibe.
You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, you got the hood up top. You can't forget the hood. It's not a thick hood, but it'll do. Got a little duck bill, quack quack. You can pull it back if you want to.
Music vibe.
Oh wait, I totally forgot. I got 2 more packages, man.
Music vibe.
Oh man, these are something really dope as an art collector. So let's get into it. Like I said, it's a big unboxing, man. You thought I wasn't gonna get all this Kaws and North Face stuff without getting a collectible? You crazy, man. Yes, sir. We got the Kaws Holiday Chiang Mai Mountain. This came out in 2021. Like I said, I've been waiting for a long time to open this, and here we go. Oh, you can see this, but yep, comes with the Kaws card.
Music vibe.
Here it is. Here it is. saw this, man, I really loved it.
Music
You know, going from like, you know, it's like a parent and son and daughter thing, you know what I'm saying? It's like a parents and kids thing, you know, from my father and my mother to me. That could be me, or that could be me. That could be, you know, my future daughter or son. So I really like this piece. Got the brown version. Yeah, man. Got a little, things I can wipe off, goes away. Bottom and down on the bottom, nope. My first collectible toy. It's dope. Cool Kaws book.
Music Vine.
It's called The Promise. It's an open edition. Here it is. Front, I feel like I'm at story time.
Music Vine.
This one came way faster than the other package. The other package took like almost a whole year. This one shipped really fast. Wow, this is way taller than I thought it was gonna be.
Music Vine.
This is real. Look at that. This is pretty tall. Wow, that's everything it does. Got the whole world in his hands. He got the whole wide world in his hands. He got the whole wide world in his hands. We got The Promise on the bottom. Cost 12-inch.
Music Vine.
And then of course we got the son and daughter. So reaching out for her. Kaws Metacom toy.
Music Vine.
Wow, I really love this one. Wow. Let me try to. That's cool.
Music Vine.
That's cool.
Music Vine.
So yeah, man, there you have it. Those are my Kaws North Face
Music
pickups,
Vine.
man. I'm so happy to share it with y'all. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think of the fit. What will you rate it? 1 to 10, you feel me? You like it, you don't. If you like it, leave a like and subscribe, to the channel for more. If you don't like it, tell me why down below. Is it too much? Is it too little?
Music Vine.
Personally, I think I put it off really nice, I want to keep it a little simple with a black and gray, but I still have that pop because I like me some color, you feel me? So yeah, man, thanks for tuning in. It's your boy Bomster Foo. Stay tuned. Peace, love, happiness. Till next time, I'm out.